In industrial environments, forklift safety is of vital importance. How to avoid collision accidents and ensure the safety of people and vehicles. RangeSense anti-collision system provides you with 360 all-round intelligent protection. Operators can set the warning, alarm, exemption distances on the management software. Pedestrian, forklift anti-collision demonstration. When the forklift is in operation, anti-collision system monitors the surrounding pedestrians in real time. When a pedestrian is detected entering the danger zone, an alarm is immediately sounded, the driver checks control, and the forklift slows down to avoid a collision between the person and the vehicle. Forklift anti-collision demonstration. In multi-vehicle operation scenarios, anti-collision system can accurately detect the distance between vehicles. When two forklifts are driving in the warehouse, the system detects another forklift and issues an audible and visual alarm to alert the drivers of both vehicles and ensure vehicle-to-vehicle safety. Corner anti-collision demonstration. When a forklift was driving to the corner of the warehouse, a pedestrian suddenly appeared in the blind spot. Anti-collision system detected pedestrian in the blind spot, and the forklift and the corner issued an audible and visual alarm to remind the driver and pedestrian to pay attention. Wait for the vehicle to pass before the pedestrian can pass. Entrance and exit anti-collision demonstration. When a forklift is driving to the warehouse entrance or exit, a pedestrian suddenly appears in the blind spot. Anti-collision system detects the danger, and the corner device and forklift issue an audible and visual alarm to remind the driver and pedestrian to pay attention and wait for the vehicle to pass before pedestrian passing. System product display. The system requires the installation of anti-collision gateways on vehicles, walls. Pedestrians wearing badge type. Wristband type. Helmet snap-on anti-collision checks. This system has the advantages of low latency, high accuracy, and easy installation. It is suitable for a variety of vehicle models, such as internal combustion forklifts, narrow-channel forklifts, electric balance forklifts, loaders, excavators, mining machinery vehicles, etc. While improving operational safety, RangeSense anti-collision system somehow reduced the accident rates and improved the overall efficiency as well.